What is up, guys? It's Dave with Pete and Pedro, and today we're going to be talking about the best time to shave before or after the shower. First things first is, do you use an electric razor or a safety razor? If you use the electric razor, it's simple. Shave before the shower. The reason being is the electric razor just isn't as good when used on wet skin. Also, the electric razor is more prone to getting clogged with wet hair. This one's super simple. If you use an electric razor, make sure you shave before your shower. Now, if you use a safety razor, unfortunately, it's not gonna be so simple. It's gonna come down to a few things, namely, how much time do you have, how sensitive is your skin, and how tough is your facial hair. When it comes to time, we all know that a proper shave does take a few minutes, so if you're stressed for time, doing a quick shave before you jump in the shower is definitely the way that you wanna go. It's also super easy to clean up because all the hairs that get dropped down onto your chest and on your shoulders and on your neck all get rinsed off super easy in the shower. On the other hand, if you do have an extra couple minutes, we do recommend getting your shave in after you shower, so make sure you can do it properly and give yourself a great shave. When it comes to skin sensitivity, if you have skin that's prone to irritation, you definitely want to make sure that you're jumping in the shower first before you shave. The reason being is dry shaving is just super irritating to your face. It's gonna leave you prone to nicks, cuts, acne, ingrown hairs, all types of stuff that you just don't want to deal with. If you are prone to irritation, make sure you jump in the shower first and make sure your skin is hydrated and healthy before you get started. Lastly, how tough is your hair? Are we talking about getting rid of some peach fuzz, or is your stubble like sandpaper? If you've got super tough hairs, you're definitely gonna wanna make sure to jump in the shower first. The reason being is the steam from the shower is gonna open up your pores. It's also gonna soften your hair and make them much easier to cut, limiting irritation and making sure that you can get the job done in just a few passes. Pro tip here, no matter how good you are at shaving, it's just gonna naturally cause some irritation to your face, so regardless of which method you decide is for you, make sure you're using an aftershave balm or oil when you're finished to keep your skin hydrated and healthy and limit the amount of irritation and ingrown hairs that you're gonna get. Now, personally, I use both the electric razor and the safety razor. Some days I just wanna rock a little stubble, some days I like to take it down to a clean shave. On the days where I'm just using this, I'm definitely doing it before the shower, and the days that I'm using the safety razor, I'm definitely doing it after. Let us know in the comments down below which one is for you, and keep shaving like a pro.